Straight people and gay people fart.
What the f have you gone in with?
So straight people fart like normal, right? Gay people fart like.
No, no.
Get it?
No, that was not funny.
The
you should
circumference.
be embarrassed of yourself.
All right.
That guy.
Listen, I got another joke.
Hi, Dad. Do you remember shagging my mum?
No.
Oh my God. I knew it was you. I came out ginger because of you, you f***ing prick. Anyway. Which way up? This way? That laugh, Stephen?
Oh, it's so nearly one.
I think I was laughing.
Try and flip it. Like a bottle flip.
If it lands, yeah. hey, that's a laugh. That's a laugh.
Never decline. Promise one day that I would never decline. Promise one day that I'd be on your eye. Promise one day that I'd burst on the scene.
Bog just said the same bars.
It's more of a TED talk than a comedy thing, that.
No!